Select this and this, and let's move this over here. Select this and this, and let's move this over here, and also enable all of these layers. So if you see this now, we are gonna get this kind of stuff. And if you think this is quite slow, so what you can do, instead of 10 frames, you can also take a distance of 5 frames, so it will look a little bit faster. Like this. Okay, and now what after that, what we are gonna do over here, because this is O, so we cannot see over here, so let's go to the last one. So after completing our animation, we know this O is over here, so select this O, go to the effect and presets panel and search for fill effect to apply. Sorry, not order of fill, but simply fill, and with the help of this picker we will pick up this color. Select this O, apply fill effect, pick up this O. Select this G, apply fill effect, we will pick up this color. Select this L, apply fill effect, pick up this color. Select this, apply fill effect, and we will pick up this color. So if you see this now, we are getting different colors over here and their animations. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Then you can go inside this and also enable this motion blur. So what will happen, along with this animation you will get this motion blur also, and over here also you can enable the motion blur. So what will happen, your transition will look smoother. Okay, so this is for one. Then after that, right click new and create one null object, and simply select all of these layers and let's make it apparent with this null. Now select this null object, press P for position, and let's bring this firstly at the center. Then as our first transition goes somewhere around at this point, I'll create one keyframe at position. Then at this point I'm gonna bring this over here, so our logo should be at the center. Sorry. Okay, so this O should be at the center like this, and then press S and let's increase the size of this. So I'm going to make it 120. Hit U and let's move this over here. Okay, so if you see this animation now, first I'll get this. Also initial should be over here. Also select those keyframe and hit F9. So if you see this now, first I'll get this, then I'll get this. So it should start to move at this point maybe. Or maybe a little bit backward. Or at this point. And select those things and select this, zoom in a little bit, move one handle over here and one handle over here. So what will happen, we will get a little bit of smoothness in this animation. Also, whenever our last jump is over at this point, we will go downwards, we will select this shape layer, we will hit U, we will select those keyframe, select those keyframe, hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V, right click, keyframe assistance, time reverse layers, like this. So we will get this kind of rotation. Okay, and then press Ctrl Y to create one solid background and a grayish background. You can choose whatever you want and we will get something like this. So if you see this now, we will get this kind of animation. So this is how you can create this kind of simple Google logo reveal animation.